Hi, this is Joe from plugandplaykits.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect my sub harness for a 2015 to 2019 F150 and 2017 to 2019 Super Duty. I pre-loosened the panels to speed up this video. Your first step is you're going to remove your speaker grill. With a pry tool, work your way around. There's 4 clips. Once popped off, set to the side. There's now 2 7mm bolts here and here that need to be removed. Once removed, with your pry tool, work your way around the panel and lift up and pop out. There's a connector right here that you need to unplug to remove this panel. Once removed, set aside. There's 2 more 7mm screws right here. Remove those. At this point, you can pull your front cover off. With your hands, reach in, and this whole cover is held on with clips, and just pry out. Once you pry out, you need to disconnect these 2 plugs right here. You can take this and set it on the top of the dash. Now that you've done that, there's 4 7mm screws to remove the CD player. This is where the harness connects to. Once the screws are removed, you can take it out. Okay, once out, this first plug is the plug you're gonna unplug. Take my harness and connect into the factory stereo plug. Take the other end and plug it back into the CD player. This install is the same no matter if you have my basic converter or LC2I audio control piece. Clip back in. At this point, you can plug in your converter, your converter has RCAs, and your remote wire. Connect these connections. Once done, set everything behind the dash. Put your radio back in and reassemble. Thanks for watching.